In a world where sustainability, individuality, and style collide, the Thrifting Hall of Fame stands as a testament to the power of embracing pre-loved fashion and the joy of discovering hidden gems. Be the next class inducted into the Goodwill Thrifting Hall of Fame. We are looking for thrifters from every walk of life because there are so many reasons why you thrift, and we hope to uncover the unique stories of each winner. The categories include DIY of the Year, Home Decor Hero, Donor of the Year, Fashionable Finds, Antique Finds, and new this year, the People's Choice. The inductees to this year's Hall of Fame will receive a special awards ceremony taking place in Calgary, a one-night stay in a Calgary hotel plus guest, a Goodwill gift card, and so much more. Fill out a nomination form at goodwill.ab.ca or scan the QR code at your local Goodwill retail store. It's time to be celebrated for an eternity for thrifting excellence with the Goodwill Thrifting Hall of Fame.